Do you want to sound very sure and clear? The word absolutely is a powerful way to say completely or totally. Let's see how to use it. Absolutely means completely or totally. It shows full agreement or certainty about something. Many learners use absolutely only for positive answers, but it can be used with negatives, too. For example, I absolutely hate that. Common patterns: absolutely sure, absolutely right, absolutely not, and absolutely agree. It is often used before adjectives or with verbs. I am absolutely certain about that. She absolutely loves chocolate. They absolutely refuse to help. This is absolutely the best idea. Anna was absolutely sure she left her keys on the table, but they weren't there. That feeling of certainty was very strong. Think of absolute as the word for something complete. The word ends with lutely, like completely, spelled a bit differently. Now, you know absolutely means totally sure. Try using it today and see the difference.